Just thought I'd take a video of the birds. They're all in the snow here, gathered in the tree. I don't know if you can see them. Wish the zoom on the camera worked. I don't believe there's normally this many. I don't know how the video will turn out, but it's really cool in person. I wonder what kind of birds they are. Can you hear them? I don't know why I'm asking you that, but yeah. Anyway, just thought it was really beautiful. It's snowing. Our pool's still up. Sorry about that. But yeah. This sounds really pretty. Thanks for watching.